back. The other day we were talking about my budget categories, so now I'm going to tell you what I have inside of each. In the giving section or giving category, I have tithe, donations, and my mom, of course. In investments, I have the Roth IRA. For savings, I have here my safety net. I have some sinking funds, my checking cushion that I always save with every paycheck, and I think it is one CD that I have. Okay. In housing, I have home maintenance because I'm a homeowner, mortgage, HOA fees that we pay quarterly, and garden maintenance, of course, because I love my garden. Utilities, I include here cell phones, iCloud storage, Disney Plus as a part of my utilities, water, electric, and internet. In the food categories, I have groceries and eating out as well. Oops, I forgot transportation. I have auto insurance, car maintenance, registrations and tax. I also have gas in this category and tolls and parking. So let me add miscellaneous right here in the food category and household goods. Oops, that's not it. Household goods. Inside of my personal care category, I have clothes and shoes, hair, manicure and pedicure when I can, medical expenses that I'm saving for, and personal hygiene, kind of shampoos, lotion, things like that. In fun category, I have Christmas, I have gifts, entertainment, entertainment, um, planners, stickers, and books because I love books, planners, and stickers, and of course, vacation. Let me add here employee stocks and 401k that I forgot. Whoops, 401k. Okay, for my yearly subscriptions, I pay yearly Mint Mobile. So I save that security system, Amazon Prime, already paid on July 12th, Microsoft Office that I will pay on the 24th, GoodNotes 6 because I love my iPad, and Adobe. I don't have any debt. I'll see you in the next one.